What's up, guys? And I'm not kidding. What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be messing around with this alarm clock thing. There's a light on it. Ooh. Oh, there's Cosmo over there. Limited edition. Hey, Cosmo. Jesus Christ. Anyway, the next video will be about Cosmo, but let's just ignore Cosmo. It's in the video because I don't know where to put it and it's charging. But anyway, that's enough for Cosmo now. But I'm going to be destroying this, and this is supposed to take double A's, but I don't have any more double A's, so I use triple A. I got that from a YouTube thing. See, it's supposed to take double A's, but it's got a triple A in. Carousel, freaking hilarious. Now, let's get to beating around with it. Oh, it's still ticking. Rolling, yeah. Still ticking. That's Friday. What happened? It was on the right time and then it just had to stop. Oh my god! It rebooted. Now it has to work to set it up again. Yeah! That's like the on-off switch. How about if I shake it? Oh my wire. Oh my god! That you have to wait like 12 more hours till it's on white time. Yeah! Why won't it die? There's something wrong with this piece of crap. I want it in so much that it won't even freaking trick shot! It got the button. Oh, that fried it. It doesn't like celebrating. Oh, there we go, that died. Rip. Start throwing stuff at it now. My broken calculator. Well, it's not really broken, I just took it apart. That pretty much broke my calculator. I've just lost the battery out of it. Oh yeah, it's here. The solar thing is the backup. The battery's it's the main bit is the battery. How about a plug? Oh! Shit! What? I didn't. Now it's just doing that randomly. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. There we go. Shut up. Jesus Christ. Holy Jesus, that didn't sound too good. It's kind of rattling now. Oh. Rip. I'm gonna set my alarm on a different time. It has to be at 6 o'clock because that's what time I have to get out for school. Yeet. I don't need no alarm.